Right. So, guys, today is the 23rd of the 4th, 2024. My name is Simeon Chotila, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm here to share an incredible opportunity with you guys, right? It's called Shao Bank, a way you could earn money passively online, right? So, Shao Bank is a universal banking system that allows you to invest into their platform via one of the supported crypto. And by you doing that, you could actually get involved with a bond contract and earn every day money back to your account. Apart from the bond contracts, they have deposit options available. Once you get a good credit rating score utilizing the products of the company, you could actually get a loan option available, right? So you could actually take a loan from Shao Bank. And apart from that too as well, you could also capitalize into their network marketing affiliate program and earn 10 levels deep, get tokens as well. And now in recent time, they launched their own key coin. I call it Kai coin, KCN, and it's growing really, really fast. So you could earn by actually buying at a low and selling at a high below market price, of course. So still seeing people coming into the room. It's not too late to tell your people to join up because I'm going to share today how you could get involved with this amazing opportunity. Shao Bank has been operating since 2022, right? I got involved in March 2023. I'm still here. We're still getting fast payouts. I literally did a withdrawal this morning. At 5 a.m. in Eastern Standard Time, and I got it in less than 3 hours, guys. So the platform is still performing. Shao Bank, a lot of activities is happening in Shao Bank. They recently had their summit, right? That took place 1 year anniversary as well. Was in December. They have been established in different countries. Back then when I got involved, Shao Bank literally was just Chinese and English. Now there's over 30 different languages available. And apart from they offering the bonds contract, and that's the way they originally bring in profits into the organization. Now they have ventured into Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin ETFs, and chip innovation technology. So I want to share with you guys how easy you could get involved. Literally, no monthly fees. Is a low startup cost. And once you participate into the Telegram activities, you could earn rewards as well. You just need to become an active bondholder. Right. So I'm just going to share my screen here quickly. Right. Again, really appreciate everyone taking the time to come out today to hear what this incredible opportunity is about. The new talk of the tongue, Shao Bank. So I just want to let you guys know as well before I proceed into presenting the opportunity that I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I simply saw an opportunity back in 2023, and I basically got involved in March. I was kind of one of the early investors and grew with the platform. And this led me to think as well. A lot of people look at different platforms to make money. Actually, guys, all you need is one working platform and you build with that platform, right? You build with that opportunity. So this is just my personal disclaimer, guys. At the end of the day, you don't take a risk, you would not get a reward. No risk, no reward. They say if you need new results, you definitely need to try something new. So with Shao Bank, guys, we're gonna take a leap into the future here because everything is accessible online, right? All with the out with the old, joining lines and stuff like that in banks. You could literally access Shao Bank 24/7 via the online services, and you could do deposits and withdrawals anytime with Shao Bank, right? So just know that I do not manage anyone funds. I'm just like everyone else, an investor into the platform, right? I was just given the opportunity to present Shao Bank, globally, as I should say. So, guys, here we go. I'm just sharing my experience as well. That's just my personal risk disclaimer. Really, really excited to share this opportunity. I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of the Shao Bank Telegram group here, right? A lot of activities. What you're viewing here is videos people are basically submitting to earn tokens, right? We're talking about the Kai coin token, which originally started at 71 with HKD. That's the Hong Kong dollar. That's literally about $9 USDT. a few weeks ago actually, and now it's almost a 200% growth, guys. So people submitting active bond holders, and they are earning basically 5 to 6 Kai coin token. They're selling it into the built-in exchange and earning cryptocurrencies to their account, and they could actually do withdrawals. So a lot of people, different countries, India, the US, the UK, a lot of different countries are involved in Shao Bank, and they are capitalizing on the opportunity as well. So we're going to talk today about the main information on Shao Bank website. Just remember, do your own research, guys. Make sure you understand the opportunity, you're comfortable with the idea that you invest in cryptocurrencies and earning crypto as well, because that's what Shao Bank really does. They accept cryptocurrencies as a deposit option. So here we go. Shao Bank, in a nutshell, is a universal banking system that allows you to invest into one of their services being offered, right? And this is available to customers all around the world. And those services are the bond contracts, the deposit options, and basically you can be qualified for a credit, meaning a loan within the platform, right? So if you're into marketing, they have a really nice compensation plan. We're going to talk a little more detail about the different services available from Shao Bank. But before I go into that information, let's talk about who they are, right? So the person behind Shao Bank is Mr. Yang Shao. He's actually the bank founder. You'd see a lot of information on their Shao Bank YouTube website. You could actually get that information from Shao Bank original site. You head over to their channels, you're going to see a lot of information here, guys. Different presentations. You would see Mr. Yang Shao talking about the Kai coin. Well, Key coin, I should say, right? The new crypto token was launched. You see short presentations as well. You're going to see the corporate team behind Shao Bank. You're going to see short videos, how to get started, tutorials, understanding how to use the Shao card, the withdrawals, the activating of a bonds. And you're going to see a independent interviewer video here about the chip innovation technology. So I like the idea that they have ventured into these areas, because this will help bring in profits into the organization, right? So a lot of information available on Shao Bank website. Under documentation, you see the legal side of Shao Bank, and that's the Hong Kong certificate number. You see the UK number, the LEI number, which is required for online activities dealing with finances. Then you have the cyber certificate available as well. And then you have the COI. COI is basically one of the ecosystem certificates from Go Insurance. So we're going to talk about their affiliates, which is basically their ecosystem, which is really important coming into the platform. You have to understand the ecosystem behind Shao Bank. And that is where you have Global Future Enterprises Group, you have Go Insurance Financial Partners, you have Universal Century, and Global Future Technology. So all these corporations will help in assisting financially towards Shao Bank, right? And it's really, really important to have a proper ecosystem when coming into organization. So you could get that information available on Shao Bank website. You could head over to insurance, banking, and you're going to get the financial report for 2022. This basically will give you a little breakdown, a little idea of how money is being obtained and distributed within the organization. So all this information here is available from Shao Bank website. You could check it out at your own time and convenience. Right, so back to who we are. There's the roadmap here. As I mentioned, Shao Bank has been launched 2022. This roadmap will take you straight back to the launch date, and it will show you some of the accomplishments that Shao Bank have obtained during the time existed out here, right? So you could take a look at the roadmap all the way to 2031, 2032. Then if you're into presenting opportunities, there is a really nice compensation plan for networkers. You could download the business plan and get to understand the opportunity and start presenting Shao Bank. So you have that business plan available. Then if you want to reach out to help and support, The help and support tab is there. You could actually scroll all the way down. You're going to get an email address. You could send your email to Shao Bank, and there's a number to call. And if you want to visit Hong Kong, there's a address available as well. So scrolling all the way down, you would see an APK app available for Android users. You could basically download and install it and get access to your Shao account. So you could see a lot of information is available on the website, and that's something to pay attention to. They're really active into social media. You could check out their Facebook page. They have a Telegram channel as well that they broadcast everyday information that could assist you. On their Facebook page, again, this is really, really active. And right, so we have the bond series contract where we're going to talk about today, and how you could get involved with the bonds opportunity as an investor. So I'm going to demonstrate that utilizing our account here to give a more practical approach. So there's a lot of ways you could earn with Shao Bank, guys. I'm just going to point out a few. You could earn through their bonds contract, right? You could earn through the deposit option, and then you could earn through the marketing side of Shao Bank. And within the marketing side, you could earn tokens as well, where you could buy cases and earn instant money to your account. They recently launched the KCN token, which I got in at an early stage. I made some money today with that KCN token. And I'll show you briefly how you could do that as well, because I got in at an early stage where we bought that particular token at a low price and we sold it at a high, making, I would say, about 100%, on selling that token. So there's the built-in exchange as well, where you could buy and sell tokens here, and all right, you could basically buy and sell tokens here. So let's talk about the bonds, guys. So investors out there, this is what we all really was looking for, a stable opportunity that is paying and working. Because many times in the past, a lot of people get attracted to the percentages of cryptocurrency opportunities, but when you really check it, they don't really last long, guys. So it's all about stability, and that is what Shao Bank has been offering so far. And I want to basically go straight into the bonds contract. It's 8 series available currently. And once you guys are interested in purchasing a bond contract, you have to make that decision before the 30th of this month. Let me just verify that date information here, because this is something they actually do every so often for the year. They close the contracts in terms of purchasing, and they offer new contracts as well. So if you see the opportunity bringing value to you, you definitely have to make a decision to come in before the 30th this month to participate into one of the FP series contract. So under the FP series, there's 8 contracts to choose from. There's a lot of options to deposit within Shao Bank. You could choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of cryptocurrency options. They added also Alipay and ePay. Right, so basically you're going to see HKD is to represent the Hong Kong dollar. Not to worry about that. Everything is being automatically converted to the different cryptocurrencies. You have, as you can see, the values there representing different crypto. So here we go, guys. I will be demonstrating on this particular token. It's called the Tether TRC20. And we're going to demonstrate each bond on that particular crypto, because we use that a lot in Trinidad. It's a more popular token down here. So here we go. We have the FP1 that pays 0.50% a day, 7 days a week for 4 years. It's a fixed return you receive every 24 hours, 7 days a week. You could come in here with a minimum of 52 USDT, and you could start earning 24 hours after returns back to your account. Just remember, it's a low amount you're coming in with, so it's a low return you're going to receive, right? Let's keep that in mind. And that's the FP1. We have the FP2 that basically pays 0.60% a day, 7 days a week again for 4 years. The minimum is 257 USDT. That's roughly about 10 USDT on a weekly basis if you're looking at a 7-day period. Everything is converted on the platform, and if you want to find out the actual conversion rate to the USDT, all you have to do, guys, is go to this website called you just type in on the web browser HKD to USDT. Right? What that is going to bring up to you is a conversion, and you could use this as a prediction of knowing how much HKD is equivalent to what USDT amount. So weekly of 84 HKD, you could basically just type in 84 here. You're going to get $10.71 return if you're looking at the weekly on the FP2 minimum amount. So it's not restricted to 256 on the FP2. You could actually buy a minimum of 10 bonds and above. Right? You could buy 210 bonds in the FP2. It's totally up to you, right? And what you could do in terms of reinvesting into the platform, once you receive 400 HKD in your account, you could basically reinvest by selecting HKD, right? And that is the FP1. The minimum is actually 400 HKD. Really, really cool there to reinvest. You could activate multiple contracts in your account and have that working for you. So that's the FP2 here. We on to the FP3. The FP3, it's 0.70% a day, 7 days a week. Now it's 3 years and the minimum it's 1,027 USDT. So this is a real good option to consider. Why? Because that's about $50 USDT weekly coming back to your account. And what you could do there is you come up with a strategy where you withdraw, I would say do a 50-50, a 30-70 or something like that, because at the end of the day, you're still securing some of your capital and you're leaving some money in the platform to activate a next contract. So that's a little strategy you could use, because if you come in with a small amount, guys, you had to wait a while to get that, even that $7 minimum withdrawal amount. You would have to wait a long time to really get that available to withdraw. If you come in with the FP3, you could do it. I mean, it's like 2 or 3 times to the week, but that's like $50 USDT on a weekly basis. Or if you do the FP2, that's like 10 USDT on a weekly basis. Right? So what we're going to step in here is more the higher percentages. We have the FP4 that pays 0.90% a day, 7 days a week for 3 years now. It's no longer 4 years, but 3 years with the FP3 and FP4. So the minimum to come in that is 51.28 USDT. You get 0.90%. Literally every single day you could do withdrawals with this contract. So that's the benefit of coming in with a higher amount. You have more access to do your withdrawals, right? Keep that in mind. You have the FP5. We're now stepping in the hype zone where everybody is excited to get at 1.1% and beyond. That is 1.1% a day, 7 days a week now for 2 years. And the minimum to invest in that is 10,256 USDT. Well, a lot of things could happen here. You could grow your account quickly, or you could do quickly withdrawals as well. You have the FP6 that pays 1.3% a day, 7 days a week for 2 years now. It's 25,640 USDT. You get a weekly earning of 18,200 each KD. So again, guys, you could do a lot of things with that. You have the FP7 that pays 1.5% a day, 7 days a week now for 1 year. So you see what's going on here. The higher the percentages, the lower the maturity dates. Once you could afford it based on your financial needs within the platform, I should say, you could come in with a particular contract. Let's remember, use a strategy, guys. Use a strategy. So you have the FP7, then you have the FP8, where you get literally 2% a day, 7 days a week for 1 year as well. Minimum invested amount is 102,560 USDT. So really, really amazing opportunities with the contract. This is if you want to invest alone, no marketing, nothing whatsoever. You just want to invest and earn daily. That is what you have access to. So for persons who want to really earn a next way, there's the deposit option available, which a lot of people don't really focus on, because when they see the percentages on the bonds, they actually go for that first preference. But the reason why they have the deposit option, it's a banking system you're investing too. So they have something like a virtual fixed deposit locked in minimum 1 year. All right, so the invested amount to go in that is 1,026 USDT. After that year period, it will be locked in for 12 months. You're going to get 11.5% growth after that locked in period. So you're asking yourself, why would I want to go into the deposit, or should I take that bonds option? Well, the way they have it structured within Shao Bank is basically, will get a credit rating score here, guys, based on the products you have and working for you. Your credit rating score will increase, and that will allow you to apply for a loan. All right. Once you apply for a loan, it's categorized in 3 areas. You get 9%. They charge 9% interest rate for the year on the mortgage loan. Consumer is 16.5%. And then you have business. They charge 14.5% for the year, right? So this is a really cool option available. And you could use a loan to start your own business, travel the world. You could do a lot of things, buy a property and use it for education and stuff like that. So I really, really like the idea that they have a loan option available. And I'm just going to cover some areas here within the account as well. Once you sign up, you get a referral link from your person, your friend who invited you to the call or share the opportunity with you. You sign up. You go to the KYC. The KYC is simply to help protect your identity in the account, and your account will be verified. Once it's verified, you get a Shao card. With this Shao card, your funds that you accumulate within the platform will be reflected on the Shao card, right? So with this Shao card, you could use it in Hong Kong or Singapore. Currently, they are working on getting the card accessible in different countries, right? That's something to look forward to. And you get a CVC code, the date, the numbers, and within this window as well, it have a refill balance option where you could top up your account, right? So it's like a savings within a savings, and the minimum you could actually put, it's literally about $2 USDT. Once you accumulate a certain amount, you could activate a contract as well. There's the withdrawal option here. Really, really cool features with the withdrawal. Although you deposit with the USDT, you have the option of withdrawing any one of the crypto from Shao Bank, right? And there's a lot of currencies to choose from. What you got to pay attention to is some of the currencies that charge a commission. Example would be TRC20. They charge 4.9. If you're a Binance user and you use BP20, they charge 0% commission, right? So keep that in mind. If you're using the Tether, the minimum amount to withdraw, it's 50 HKD. That's about $7 USDT. So they really have a nice feature here as well called transfer. You could send money from one account to the next account, 0 commission charge, and it reflects instantly. So this is a transfer feature available internally for Shao clients. Right, so really, really cool features available there, guys, to utilize within the Shao platform. And we want to go straight into the marketing place, right? And this is for persons who like to share the opportunity. You want to capitalize on some commissions, some Shao Bank, because we advertise daily, generally speaking, for a lot of companies, whether it be, cable services, TV services, if something is working good, you share that with a friend or so, but you don't really get a commission for doing that, right? And Shao Bank gives you the ability to actually earn through sharing their platform and getting active bond holders. So within the marketplace here tab, you could actually see some information here, guys. Shao Bank pays 7% on their first level for sharing the opportunity with someone. You also get tokens, and this is separate from the KCN token. With these tokens here, it's accumulated quickly on your account once you start marketing, and you could buy cases every single 24 hours with these tokens. When you buy these tokens, these cases utilizing the required amount, you earn cash instantly to your account. So we're going to show a quick demonstration here. We're going to buy a common case and buy, we earn 7 HKD to our account. So it varies. You based on the case you're purchasing, you're gonna earn 4 to 40 HKD. With the common, you have rare, mystical, legendary, immortal. Every 24 hours, you could buy a case once you have the tokens. All right. Another way to capitalize on the different levels of the marketing is to use your tokens to buy into the different levels. So you have on your first level, it's free. If you want to participate on your second level to earn 3%, it's 700 tokens, right? You have all the way down to the 10th levels, guys. So you could capitalize on the marketing side as well by buying different, buying into different levels. So really, really cool features there into the built-in marketplace with Shao Bank. If you want to get support, it is available on Shao Bank account, your Shao Bank account. You go over to the support tab, you open a ticket, and you're gonna see to write a message here to get in contact directly with Shao Bank, right? As if you want to find out information and stuff like that. So KCN, guys, and this will bring me to the end of today's presentation as well. Explaining this KCN. This KCN is amazing. It's the Kai coin, the new token that was launched on Shao Bank literally about a week ago. They launched this coin when it was 71.19 HKD. That's about $9 USDT, right? So there's a lot of ways you could make money with this token. And obviously, it's like a Bitcoin at a low stage. If you buy the token at a low stage, everything is being conducted within the account. Once you buy the token, you're going to see it in your account under your KCN wallet, right? Immediately, you're going to see it there. Imagine you bought it at $72 HKD and it's currently at 216. That's 200% growth you're talking about there. And we recently sold 16 tokens and I earned some cash there. So you could earn money. So once you buy the tokens, you hold it until it increases in prices. As you can see, the different stages here. And currently, as you could see, it's $203. Obviously, you're not going to sell it at the current market price. You had to do a little better than that if you want to get your token sell within the P2P exchange in your account. It's super easy to do. You just go to the KCN exchange, you create an order type. If you're looking to buy at a particular price, it's available for you to select. You could actually go all the way down to 194. So you notice now it's no longer 72 HKD. It's actually 194. So the trick is buying it at a low, you hold it for a while, and then you sell it within the P2P. And that's what I did, guys. I actually sold 16 KCN today, right? And I earned money to our account by doing that because I bought KCN when it was low. I decided I needed some extra cash. So I said, you know what, I'm going to sell the KCN, right? So I sold 16 KCN. We earned this amount. And that's the profit zone for me, because I sold it at a price that was even lower than the market price. And it sold, I would say, in less than 24 hours, right? So you could earn money. So too, guys, you buy it. But currently, if you look at orders to buy, right, there's no orders available to buy, right? If you look at orders to sell, right, orders to buy is currently empty, so there's no one actually having it at a real low price to basically buy from, right? But if you're looking at to really get at these prices here to buy the KCN token, you could actually buy these tokens here. But you see, when you're doing the order type 2, you could put the quantity you have available as well and how much you're asking to really buy into. So if let's say, for example, you want to buy at this price, $199.50, this customer here, or client, I should say, of the organization, have 3 KCN available to sell. And you simply hit buy here, and it is going to give you the option to really purchase the KC into your account. So remember, the trick is selling it lower than the market price. So you could see a lot of people have tokens here available at different prices below the market price. Obviously, you would go for the lowest price available, hold it, and wait till it reached a higher price, and you could sell it and earn a profit there. And that's what we did in our account. So, guys, really thankful for you all taking the time today to come out on the opportunity call. Shao Bank is working, guys. This is how you actually earn money online, by getting involved with a system that have a proven strategy that has been working since 2022. So for more information, you can reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. Tell them you heard the presentation, you would like to get started, and they will guide you accordingly. Keep in mind that the FP series contract is going to be unavailable after the 30th of this month. Right, there are new contracts coming out with lower percentages. So you want to capitalize on the opportunity. Now is the time to do so. Once again, thanks for coming out. Have a great day, a fantastic week ahead. I will see you guys on Saturday. Take care, guys.